Have you ever had one of those days? You wake up in the morning, but you just don't feel like doing anything. It's as if someone quietly drained all your energy. You don't feel like working, talking, or creating. And the worst part? You blame yourself. But maybe the problem might not be that you're lazy. Maybe you're just exhausted. In this video, we'll explore how to understand those days when you don't want to do anything, how to turn that emptiness into an advantage, and how to reconnect with your inner strength. Sometimes, doing nothing is actually the first step toward a fresh start.
Step 1. Accept the situation. Don't resist. The morning light seeps through the curtains. Your phone sits on the table. Notifications keep coming, yet you don't feel like doing anything. That emptiness inside only grows. And you know what? This is normal. It's your mind asking for help. Sometimes a lack of motivation is just the price of trying to stay strong for too long. Stop blaming yourself. The more you resist, the bigger this feeling becomes. So pause. Take a deep breath. Accept yourself without judgment. Not being productive today might be exactly what you need. Sometimes doing nothing is the first step towards real healing.
Step 2. Identify the cause. What are you really lacking? The day goes on, people are running around, hours are passing, the world keeps moving. But you feel like you're behind a foggy curtain, disconnected from the crowd. Your mind feels cluttered, and you feel lost in your thoughts. Do you really need rest, or has what you've been doing stopped helping you grow? Maybe you've forgotten why you started in the first place. Your motivation has faded, and you need to reconnect with your goal. Often, not wanting to do anything is just your inner self signaling imbalance. Instead of forcing yourself, listen to that voice first. Once you understand what's missing, you take the first step toward regaining your strength.
Step 3. Start small. The micro-action method. You're staring at your computer screen, but your fingers won't move. You think, I haven't done anything today. But at that moment, even a small action can start a chain reaction. For example, read a page or jot down a quick note. Make a short phone call. Pick up one item or tidy your desk. These tiny actions get your brain moving again. Once you take one step, the second will naturally follow. Remember, big changes start with small, consistent steps. Not being productive today doesn't mean you're worthless. A small step is the beginning of getting back into motion.
Step 4. Recharge yourself. You can't pour from an empty cup. On days when you don't want to do anything, forcing yourself to be productive only drains you further. Close your eyes and take a moment. To recharge, you can stand on the balcony and look at the sky. Listen to a favorite podcast or audiobook. Stretch with your arms up and take a deep breath. These little breaks calm your mind and restore your energy. Remember, to be productive, your cup must first be full. Pushing yourself while exhausted only decreases motivation. When your energy is renewed, moving on to the next step becomes both easy and enjoyable.
Step 5. Reconnect with purpose. Remember why you started. Find a quiet corner, take a deep breath, and imagine yourself reaching your goal. Remember why this work or goal excites you. Maybe it's a dream, a target, or just a desire to improve yourself. Notice that little spark inside you again. Motivation often seems lost, but it's usually just forgotten. You can make small reminders, write down your goals, hang them on your wall, or set phone notifications. These help guide your mind and heart back to why you started. In that moment, motivation returns, and taking action becomes natural.
There may be days when you don't feel like doing anything, and that's completely normal. But here's the key. Every pause is an opportunity to start again. Every small step you take, every mindful break you make, makes you stronger and more prepared. Life has its ups and downs. What matters is getting back up. A small start is the first step toward big changes. Have you had a day like this? Write "Me Too" in the comments and share this video with your friends. Knowing you're not alone is powerful. See you in the next video.